and retinal disorder detection using deep learning. He has also authored books and book chapter on cutting edge topics such as cloud computing, smart industrial monitoring systems, and AI driven drug discovery for healthcare. He has successfully collaborated with industry leaders like Samsung Prism, Siemens Healthileers, Proficient India, Wipro, and Worldline, bridging the gap between academics and industry through consultancy projects in AI, IoT, and con- conversational AI. He also engages in international collaborations, working with leading researchers and organizations in Malaysia and the USA. Beyond his technical expertise, he also serves as a co-chair of ACA Technical Committee on Intelligent Control Systems, further demonstrating his leadership in the global research community. Today, he brings his expertise to share with us valuable insights on financial technology in computer science and business systems, a domain where innovation is reshaping industries and opening up new opportunities. Let us warmly welcome our esteemed guest, Dr. K.S. Sendil Kumar, to deliver today's lecture. Welcome, sir.
Thank you. So thank you for the brief introduction. Okay. So just I will share my screen. Uh, just check it out whether my screen is visible. Am I with you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So very good morning to everyone. So let me introduce myself. Sandil Kumar KS, working as a professor here in BAT University Vellore, and I am having almost a teaching experience of almost 19 years. And in today's lecture, we are going to discuss about future of fintech in computer science and business solutions. So this is going to be the agenda. So first, what I will do is I will be discussing about what is fintech, the definition of it, working of fintech, what are the different types of fintech, and how financial technology it is helpful in computer science and business systems, and what are the various five elements of fintech. And then I'll be taking the banking sector, like what is the evolution of fintech in Indian banking sector, initially how it emerged, and then how it raised, and then how it is going to be integrated with banking sector. At last, what are the various cyber security uh, mechanisms we need to follow for avoiding the financial risk and all in fintech. Okay, so this is first we'll go on with what is fintech. So fintech or else financial technology, it refers to technological innovations in the design as well as delivery of financial services and products. So nowadays, lot of financial services are offered. So all these things within fraction of seconds, we can able to do all these financial services, financial transactions, and all. So this is a kind of technological innovation. Previously and all, you need to go for the bank. For example, let us assume that I want to transfer the money from my account to some other account. Okay. So what I will do, I will go to the bank. In that, I will be filling the challans, all these things, and I will be giving that challan, transferring the cash. Afterwards, it will take some hours. If it is same bank means they will be encashing it on the same day, or else it will be taking it 1 or 2 days for going into the other person account. But after the technological innovations and then interaction of these fintech systems, we can able to transfer the money and all the other things within fraction of seconds. Like just like how in Google Pay or else internet banking or else credit card, in that how you are going to transfer the money, same like that. So this is going to revolutionize how financial services are delivered as well as consumed. Okay, so here the advancements, not only these things, it is going to have various advancements. Like in big data, it will be useful. Similarly, for artificial intelligence, machine learning. So here and all, for example, let us assume that you are going to do some kind of financial services, or else you are going to involve in a trading sector at all. Okay, there you want to analyze what share is what share we can buy, what share we can sell, and you want to analyze the share market, all these things. So for that, it will be useful. Similarly, lot of machine learning tools are there. This it will be guiding you for investment, like investment opportunities. What are the various investment opportunities are there? So that it will tell in that you can invest and optimizing the portfolios, all these things. So it will be mitigating the risk involved in share markets and then in financial services and all. So initially, this is going to be focused on back end of financial institutions like fintech. It is expanded to consumer services across various sectors like education sector, retail banking, investment management, and more thing like cryptocurrency sector, bitcoins, and then that Ethereum, ethers, all these things. So this is the definition of fintech. Like the fintech, the term came is going to the fintech company. It describes any business, whatever the business it is. If it is going to use technology for modifying, enhancing, or else automating the financial services for business or else for consumers. Okay, so this is the definition of fintech. Like any business that uses technology, tech it is nothing but technology. Okay, so any business that uses the technology for enhancing your business or else for automating the financial services or else for business, for consumers, all these things. Some of these examples include mobile banking. So nowadays, all the banking sectors, they are going to introduce, they have introduced this concept of mobile banking. Everything like a Indian bank, they are going to have some kind of a mobile app, okay, in the smart something. And SBI, they are going to have, SBI something. So similarly, HDFC Bank, they are going to have their own app. A lot of banks are the ICICI. So ICICI, they are going to have iMobile app. So like that, all the banking sectors, they are going to provide the services through mobile banking itself. So other things like peer-to-peer payment services like Cash App, Venmo, and for example, ours like Paytm, Google Pay, and then Phone Pay, all these things, even WhatsApp Pay, Amazon Pay. So a lot of things are there. And automated portfolio managers. Like in trading and all, you're going to have some portfolios. No? So in that, automatically it is going to manage the portfolio and various trading platforms are there. That this Robinhood, that is somewhat more familiar. So apart from that, Indian trading platform means you will be having Zerodha and then and angel broker services. So a lot of things are there. Okay, so it can also apply to the development and trading of cryptocurrencies. So for trading of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, or else Ether, so for that also these fintech services it will be helpful. So this fintech industry, so this covers a wide range of applications from digital wallets cryptocurrencies to fraud production as well as a new loan processing, all these things. So mobile payments, it will be useful. Budgeting apps will be there. So there are lot of budgeting apps will be there. See, for example, on a day one, you are going to get the salary. What you do means you are going to put the budget for that particular month. So for that, there are various apps or that, like it will be putting the budget. Okay. So for we can able to plan everything properly. The financial and all, we can able to plan properly. And online and mobile banking services, it provides blockchain technology. So this plays a vital role here. So blockchain technology, like lot of transactions are coming. So these transactions, it is going to be what is that, secured. It is going to be more secure. So for that purpose, we are going for blockchain technology and all. Robo advisors will be there. So mostly these advisors will be there, na? Like insurance agents, like that, robo advisors. So these robo advisors, they will be helping you. They will be analyzing the financial markets, and they will be guiding you where to invest the money, when to invest, all these things. So growth of fintech industries in India within the next 5 years. So blockchain, surely in blockchain, lot and lot of transactions are there. So all these transactions are going to be kept in a block, and they are going to be transmitted in a ledger, distributed ledger technology, like that. Payments, exchange, even in research, it will be useful. Digital money. Digital money in the sense that bitcoins, Ethereum, dog coins, all these things, and even online banking, we are using it for investment purpose. Also, fintech, it will be useful. Crowdfunding. So crowdfunding is nothing but sharing hands with others in order to generate the funds, and then sharing the profit from that. Okay. So how does fintech work? So this fintech, it simplifies the financial transactions for customers or else for business people, making them more accessible and generally more affordable manner. So this is going to simplify the financial transaction for consumers as well as business people, making them for easy access. Okay, so it will be somewhat more affordable manner, and it can also apply to companies and services utilizing AI. Like as I told you before, it will be applying to the companies as well as servicing services, all these things. So it will be utilizing AI, big data, encrypted blockchain technology, all these things. So by using these technologies, it will be facilitating high secure transactions among internal networks. So these fintech strives to streamline the transaction process. So these fintech industries, what it will do means it will be streamlining the transaction process. So it will be eliminating the unnecessary steps involved during the transaction process. So previously, and all, if we are going for the bank for performing a transaction, almost half a day you need to wait. Various process will be there, like taking of DD. So this taking of DD, it is going to take more time. Various tedious process will be there, and even for performing some NEFT transactions and all. So nowadays there are various mobile services like Venmo is there, Cash App, GPay, all these things. So it will be allowing you to pay to any other people at any time of the day. So we can able to send the money at any time of a day. See, for example, the banks it will be closing by, that means in banks we can't able to perform the transactions after 3 or 3:30 like that. So by using this GPay or the Phone Pay or Amazon Pay, I can pay or else I can able to perform transactions at any time, 24/7, sending the funds directly to the desired bank account. So directly I will be sending the money to the desired bank accounts. So however, if you paid instead with cash or check, the recipient they want to make a trip to the bank and to deposit the money. So in case if you are going to pay the amount to him as a cash or else check, then what he has to do? You want to carry the check, you want to carry the cash to the bank and you want to deposit the money. Okay? For depositing also more process is there. So this is the online payment process. So in online payment process, what happens means first the customer they are going to place the order on the website. Okay, just like Amazon. In Amazon, you are going to order something. So first, what you are going to do means you are going to place an order on the Amazon website. The merchant is going to receive the order. The merchant in the sense the store in the Amazon they are going to receive the order. Okay. So next it will be going to the payment gateway. So in this payment gateway, what they will do is they are going to encrypt your information for providing the security. Okay. After in that payment gateway, they will be acquiring the routes payment to and from the card network, all the things like they are going to get your what is it pin number, OTP, all these things they'll be getting your pin number, OTP, and then through that your card information, OTP, all these things, and then they will be trying to perform the transactions. So issuing bank, so in the receiver side, what the issuing bank it will do means it is going to confirm or else deny the payment. Okay, so the issuing bank after successful payment, it will be confirming the payment or else it was going to deny the payment. And in case if the payment is denied means it will be coming back to the merchant itself. So for that they are going to have some kind of time period. Within the time period it will be coming. So how banking as a service works? The first thing is fintech. It will be paying the fees to access that platform. Okay, we're going to have some platform like BAAS. That is anything but banking as a service. Okay, banking as a service platform. So in this case, a lot of people they are going to pay some fees and they are going to access this BAAS platform. Next is financial institutions. They are going to act as BAAS provider. So they will be opening APIs to that fintech. Okay, and by using that APIs, the fintech it is going to use the API in order to build some new financial service solutions and all. So these financial service solutions, these are going to be delivered to the customers. So there are different types of fintechs out there. So the fintech has been used to revolutionize financial institutions for millions of people across the globe. And here it will be changing how we pay each other. So previously we used to pay by using cash in small shops, all these things. Now even for the auto or else even in a bus for paying of tickets, we will be using these financial transactions apps. Okay. In everybody, small shops also, they will be keeping this GPay, Phone Pay, Paytm, all these things. Buy stocks and other financial instruments. So you can able to buy the stocks as well as other financial instruments and access financial advisors of these things. So there are many different fintech companies which offer some unique services for the client. Some of these prominent companies are like Charles Schwab is the, so this is the best stock trading platform, and interactive brokers are the, so this is the best app for active traders. Fidelity is the, this is for long term investors, and all. E-trade is the, so great futures for power users. Webbull is the for paper trading. There is something called as paper trading. Who performs the trading and all? Who are they experienced in trading? What they will do means first they will do the paper trading and then only they will go for trading purpose. And Merrill Edge is there for seamless banking integration, and Robinhood, the first mobile platform designed for performing trading and all. So wait a minute. So now we will discuss about fintech in computer science as well as business systems. So this financial technology, it has been applied to many areas of business. So few examples are robo advisors, investment apps, payment apps, all these things. So robo advisors in the sense that these are the apps or else some online platforms. If from the name itself, you can able to identify that advisors. So they are going to recommend something. Okay. So by getting their recommendation, you are going to invest your money. Okay. So you are going to believe on these robo advisors. So what they will do means they will be optimally investing your money automatically. Okay. The cost for that it is somewhat nominal, and it will be accessible for ordinary individuals also. Some other investment apps are there. Similar to Robinhood, there are lot of investment apps are there. Okay, Upstocks, Grow, so a lot of things are there. So investment apps like Robinhood, it will be making it easy to buy as well as sell the stocks. Just like a trading platform, how in Zero you are going to do similar to that. Like you can buy the stocks, you can sell the stocks. You will be see doing buying and selling of stocks. Na, I don't want to continuously monitor. I don't want to continuously monitor when the stock it is high, or else when the stock price is low, so that I can buy. When the stock price is high, so that I can sell. Not like that. What you can do is you can write a query. You can give some condition like base price. You fix it up. Like for example, for a particular share, okay, like EXYZ share. You want to buy the share. Now the share price is 120. Like if you want to buy the share around 110 rupees, then what you will do means you are going to fix that value. Okay, you're going to write a query for that. So in that, you're going to set the target value as 110 for buying of that particular stock. So whenever the stock value decreases, then it will automatically trigger this particular transaction, buying option. Same like that for selling. So if you bought that particular share, sir, okay, I want to sell the share. at a 10% or 20% profit. So that you give it automatically, it will share the share. So payment apps like PayPal, Venmo, Block, or else Zelle, Cash App, all these things are there. So this will be making it easy to pay individuals or else for business online and in an instance like this, like personal finance apps like Mint, YNAB, or else we can simplify all these things are there. So by using these apps, you can see all your business finances in one place. Set the budgets. Okay. So there are lot of budget apps are there. There are lot of budget apps are there. What you can do is you can input your salary and then what are the spends. Okay. Or else you can link that with your account, bank account, and credit cards, all these things. It will be analyzing in which one you are going to spend. Like it is going to put a budget. Like for example, this month your petrol bill it is going to be somewhat higher. Okay, per month you are going to put 4,000 rupees petrol like that. And for the hotels you are going to spend something. For entertainment purpose you are going to spend some money. For the buying of groceries you're going to spend some money. All these things it will be automatically putting as one budget, and it is going to show some interactive graphs. Okay, so through that graphs what you can do is you can able to make some kind of analysis so that we can able to reduce the budget. So there are various financial apps are there. You people just try that one. Lot and lot of financial apps are there. Okay, and peer-to-peer lending platforms like Prosper Marketplace is there, Lending Club is there, Upstart is there. So this will be allowing individuals as well as small business owners to receive their loans. So it will be just giving some kind of micro loans directly to them. So getting loan in bank it will be somewhat difficult. Okay, so this kind of apps they will be giving lending money for small business owners and all. And crypto apps are there. So these include wallets, exchanges, payment applications, all these things. Crypto apps are like you will be having the crypto wallet will be there, exchanging of those stocks or funds, all these things, payment applications, all these things are there. So this will be allowing you to hold as well as transact currencies, cryptocurrencies, digital tokens like Bitcoin digital tokens will be there, or else Ethereum tokens will be there. Some non-fungible tokens. Okay, all these things you can use it. And InsurTech is the this InsurTech it is the application of technology. What it will specify means it is going to search for the insurance space. Like example, your use of devices that monitor your driving in order to adjust auto insurance rates. So there are some devices will be there that is going to be installed on your car, and it will be monitoring how you are going to drive the car. So based on that, it will be adjusting the auto insurance rate. Like for example, if you are going to drive very rashly, or else your driving is very horrible like that, then the insurance rates it will be higher. In case you are going to drive very smoothly, so then your device, it will be monitoring and it is going to control like that. Okay. So it will be monitoring your transactions and then it will tell that. So invest this much of amount, all these things. So these are some of the five elements of fintech ecosystems, like fintech startups, government, traditional financial institutions, financial customers, and then technology developer like that. So in fintech startup, the payment, wealth management, lending, crowdfunding, capital market, insurance, fintech companies, all these things it will be covering. And government agencies in the sense that the regulations, legislations, all these things are. Traditional financial institutions. Traditional financial institution means nothing but your banking and then insurance companies are there. Na? So it is somewhat similar to that, traditional. And financial and sectors, sorry, financial customers will be there, like individuals or else some kind of organization. These will be the financial customers. And technology developers will be there. So these technology developers, they will be helping in like developing the applications in big data analytics as well as cloud computing, cryptocurrency, social media developers, all these things. So next is the evolution of fintech in Indian banking sector. So fintech evolution in Indian banking, it has been transformative, driving innovations, enhancing the customer experience, and reshaping the financial services, all these things. So over the past decades, India has emerged as one of the largest as well as fast growing fintech markets. So in globally, India has emerged as one of the largest fast growing fintech markets globally. Okay. And these are going to be largely fueled by advancements in technologies as well as increasing the smartphone penetration and then supportive government policies, all these things. So here an overview of key stages and trends in the evolution of fintech. So this is going to be the overview of key stages as well as trends in fintech with Indian banking sector. So next, the emergence of fintech in payments. So you can see that our government, like for the past few years, they are telling digital India, all these things. Okay. So for the past few years, almost for 6 to 7 years, what we are doing means almost we are not using the cash transactions. Okay. So everything we are going to perform through digital transactions. Lot of payments like for the local shops, even for 5 rupees or 10 rupees, like that, you are going to use digital payments. Not only 5 rupees or 10 rupees, even in lakhs we can able to pay. So the early years of fintech in India, it is somewhat largely centered around digital payments. Like companies like Paytm, Google, and then Oxygen, pioneered mobile wallets will be the prepaid payment interest instruments will be the PPIs. So these are some of the methods like Paytm, Google Pay, MobiWik. Lot of payment applications are there. Okay, all these things are alternative to your traditional banking payment methods. Next is e-commerce integration. E-commerce. So everything you're going to buy in online. So nowadays, like you are not going to the shops and you are going to purchase any product. What you will do? Simply you are going to order the products in Amazon or else Flipkart or else Myntra, something like that, and then you will be paying the amount online itself. Okay. So the rise of e-commerce platforms like Flipkart, Amazon, or Myntra, these created demand for seamless digital payment solutions. So these fintech family quickly filled up. Okay. And then payment gateways. So players like Razorpay, CC Avenue. So they introduced easy to integrate payment gateway solutions. This will enable small business as well as startups to accept digital payments, all these things. So these are nothing but the payment gateway. If I'm going to see, people will be experiencing, no? Even in Amazon, if I'm going to order a product, what will happen? So first, the product details will be there. It will be asking for your address, where to deliver all these things, and then it will be just confirming your order. So once the order, everything, order details are correct, you are going to click for the payment option. Okay. So it will be redirecting you to some Razor Pay or LCC Avenue payment gateways. There you are requested to give your credit card details, debit card details, or else like a UPI numbers will be there. Okay. So those UPI numbers you're going to give. So that means easily we can able to integrate the payment gateway solutions and all. So this will be helpful for small business, very small business, like that roadside shops. They'll be having Google Pay or Phone Pay now. So they are going to use these payment gateways. They are going to use these payment apps for running their businesses. So government initiatives. What are the various steps taken by the government for enhancing or else for improving this financial technology in our country? So Indian government they launched several initiatives like Digital India, Jandan Yojana, and then Pradhan Mantri Jandan Yojana, that PMJDY, all these things for foster financial inclusions. So these gives fintech companies an opportunity to provide digital banking services to the unbanked and underbanked populations and all. UPI revolutions are the so this UPI revolution, what happened? That means whatever we are doing now, that is UPI revolution. Okay. So the introduction of UPI payments in 2016 only they have introduced it. Who introduced that means National Payments Corporation of India. So this revolutionized the Indian payment system. So UPI it enabled real-time mobile-based internet bank transactions, and then it will be facilitating the growth of apps like Phone Pay, Google Pay, and other things and all. So fintech lending services are there. Similarly, for example, I need your money. I am in need of money immediately. Previously, we had an option in Phone Pay for getting the money from your credit card. Okay, for debiting the money from credit card, there is an option called a Phone Pay rental. So from that, we can able to get the money from the credit card, all these things. So there are various platforms will be there. Like lending card is the capital float, others repeat, all these things. It will be offering quick unsecured loans, unsecured loans to some medium scale industries, or else for small scale industries. Okay. So as I told you, like Phone Pay rental. So in that, I can able to get some 1 lakh easily within a fraction of seconds. I can able to debit it from my credit card, 1 lakh or 50,000, something like that previously. So these peer-to-peer lending platforms like Fastnet and Lendbox. So these are some of the alternative financing solutions. Fintech integration with banking sector. There is something called as neo banking. So fintech, it likes Neo or else Razorpay or Jupiter. They launched neo banking platforms. So these neo banking platforms, these are going to be fully digital banking experience. These are going to provide a fully digital banking experience without traditional branches and all. So these platforms, they are going to offer services like instant account opening, expense tracking, where you have spent the money, that you can able to track it out properly. And similarly, automated savings will be there, and then targeting the millennials is there, digital first consumers, all these things we can able to do it. Digital lending platforms like flexi loan, it is somewhat more common. Just money, that is also going to be common. Okay, kiss. So these are evolved further by using some AI technology or else big data, all these things are. So what they will do means they are going to assess your credit worthiness by using some of the alternative sources. Okay, they are going to check it out. How much of amount is there in your money account, or else they will be analyzing by using this AI and big data tool. They are going to analyze the credit worthiness, all these things. So there are some partnerships with banks. So the banks, it recognized the potential of fintech, and what they have done is they began partnering with these firms to concrete solutions. Like in banks also, we can use this UPI payments and all. Okay, that is possible. So by analyzing the need, they are going to change this one. And API banking's examples like became a cornerstone of such collaborations and all these API banking facilities. And banks like HDFC, ICICI, Axis Bank, all these things, they are going to open, they are going to work closely with the fintech industries for experiencing through mobile apps and digital platforms like that. So wealth tech is there, and then insurance tech is there. So wealth tech, it is nothing but it is going to see the wealth management. Okay. So how much of funds you are going to have, where to invest, when to come out of investment, all these things it will be taken care. And then there are various insurance companies are there, like Grow, Zerodha, Policy Bazaar, ET Money, all these things. They are going to use some offer, some simplified investment and insurance solutions to the masses under. These are some of the key drivers of evolutions like Aadhaar card and eKYC is the eKYC. People know that electronic know your customer. So this process, it plays one of the pivotal role in streamlining digital onboarding for customers and all. So they'll be reducing the friction, like opening a bank account, applying for loans, getting insurance policy. So if you have updated the KYC means all these things, this process and all, it is going to be somewhat very easy for you. Regulatory sandbox is the so Reserve Bank of India, they have been proactive in creating this regulatory sandbox. So this RBI, they allows fintech to test innovative products in a controlled environment. Sorry. So these fintech companies, these RBI, these allows fintech to test some innovative products in a controlled environment. So for that only, they are going to use a regulatory sandbox. First, they will be checking it out, testing. Okay, so this has fostered innovations. So by using this sandbox technology, first we will be testing everything, and then it will be applied for reality and all. So next is Bharat bill payment systems are there. So this BBPS has streamlined the bill payment ecosystem. It allows fintech players to expand utility payments and recurring payment solutions for a broad base of consumers and all. Next, open banking and account aggregators will be there. So the open banking initiative, it supports RBI account aggregator framework. It has enabled consumers to share some financial information securely across banks as well as fintech companies. So this it will be opening some new opportunities for personal finance management as well as credit card assessment. All these things. So next is what are the various recent trends and future. What are the things that we need to look for in the future? Like embedded finances is the embedded finance. So, like financial technology services like payments, lending, insurance, all these things, it has to be embedded within non financial platforms. So, everything, it has to be embedded as a one app, okay? Like a travel or else e-commerce app, all these things. So, it will be providing some seamless financial services, solutions, all these things. Next is blockchain and digital currency. So, with the growing interest in blockchain and the RBI working on a central bank digital currency, the future of fintech in India, they are going to move. They are going to move. Okay, sorry. The future of fintech in India, they may also involve some decentralized financial services, cross-border payments, digital currencies, all these things, and AI and data analytics. So the fintech companies, they are going to increasingly leverage artificial intelligence as well as big data analytics for enhancing for identifying fraud detections. Sometimes automate credit scoring will be there. You need to increase the credit score, okay, CIBIL score, all these things. So like that they will do some personalized financial services, only personalized for you. Some financial services they are going to offer only personalized for you. For example, these credit card companies are there now. So what they will do means they will be keep on sending some messages like for you we have approved some loan of some rupees, 5 lakhs loan, 2 lakhs loan, something like that. So nothing. What they will do means they are going to analyze your spends, how per month, how much you are going to spend. All these details they will be having, and they are going to take the decision like okay, he is earning this much, so we can offer a loan for this person, this up to this amount we can offer some loan, like that they will be deciding it, you are eligible for this amount of loan, like that they will be deciding, and they are going to send some messages, phone calls, all these things. So the focus on financial inclusions, it remains a priority. So fintech, it creates innovative products tailored for rural areas, agricultural finances are there, and then a lot of MSME companies are there. So this helps in closing the gap, and it is acting as a bridge between the formal banking as well as other undeserved communities and all. So next we will discuss on cyber security in fintech. So fintech companies as well as some startups are there. So they are offering more flexible products and services than banks. Okay, banks means they are going to have lot of rules and regulations. Whereas here you are not going to have that much of rules, regulations, all these things. And they also offer that in shorter time to market. Okay, so this time period, shorter time period, that plays a vital role in a business perspective. So immediately we can able to make the payments and all. But there are some drawbacks in this one. The rapid release cycle means, what is mean by that means, fintech companies, they are going to simplify their products. So while simplifying, they are going to skip some checks. Okay, so certain features they are going to skip it out. So as a result, these fintech companies, they are going to secure their solutions only partially. So they are going to omit or else delay some security measures and all these things. So the overall probability of security breaching occurs by using these fintech companies. So most common security breaches in this sector, it includes like identity theft, fraud detection, like money launderings, application breaches, data leaks will be there, spoofing, sometimes a ransomware attack. All these things may happen. So this is the architecture for fraud detection in fintech. So real-time payment fraud detection engine. So here what happens means that the user is going to initiate the payment transaction by using the payment gateway. So these go to the Kafka engine. Okay. So there you will be having some Apache Flink cluster. So the Apache Flink cluster, it is going to have three components. One is the job manager and two task manager will be there. So this task manager as well as this job manager, what they will do means they are going to send these details to the machine learning model. So the Flink cluster, it is going to query the ML model, and they will be getting the score, like credit score like that in runtime. Okay. So the ML model, it is going to respond with the credit score. So based on the credit score, we can able to decide based on the score from the ML model, we can able to decide whether the payment it is accepted or else the payment it is declined or not. Okay. So this will be helpful in real-time data analytics and store data for future use and all. So these are some of the fintech cybersecurity tips. First, thing, know your asset and manage changes effectively. Practice a cybersecurity hygiene. Implement defense in depth approach and educate the employees and increase the communication among them. Some of the major risks in fintech companies like money laundering, terrorist financing, and then identifying of fraud, identifying theft, data breaches, KYC, even regulatory non-compliances. In that, you want to include that KYC. Sometimes these KYC regulations also they are going to expose these fintech firms to legal as well as regulatory penalties. All these things. Insider threats should be there. Insider threats means the person who is going to work in your organization, he is going to exploit some secret information to others. Okay, and you will be engaging in fraudulent activities and all. Third party risks are there. We are going to collaborate with third party service providers for payment, all these things. Okay, so those risks are there. And major security trends shaping in fintech industries like artificial intelligence will be using for detecting the frauds. Similarly, for SASE for consolidating the security stack, and we can use some advanced blockchain systems, and then increase the reliance on regulatory technologies, and we will be going for multi-cloud solutions for better security, all these things. So this is how artificial intelligence it is going to be used in fintech. So by using these artificial intelligence, we can able to analyze the investment opportunities, optimize the portfolios, mitigate the risk. All these things we can able to do. So we can able to perform investment decision making, a clear investment decision policy. We can able to do it. So as I told now, like robo advisors, automated wealth advisors will be there. So these automated wealth advisors, what they will do is they will be assisting you in investing their money in some funds and all. There is no human advisor and all. Okay. Uh, mm, so artificial intelligence as well as machine learning, they are also playing a vital role in that. So this is the artificial intelligence use cases in fintech. So first, what you're going to do, like logs into the account using the Face ID and mobile, and you will be asking for balance using voice, all these things, and then like voice used as a second layer of security for confirmation, and then along with the balance, the recommendation engine, it is going to offer some insurance for the next weeks, all these things. So the chatbot will be there. It will be asking for some kind of queries and all. So the conclusion is fintech, it has rapidly evolved from providing basic payment solutions. And nowadays, it is going to become a key driver of innovations in Indian banking sector and all. So with ongoing advancements in technology, increasing collaboration between the bank and fintech, lot of banks, they are going to have integration. Okay, they are going to have collaboration with these fintech companies, and supportive regulatory frameworks are there. Some regulatory agencies they have designed the frameworks so that the fintech company they are going to follow that one. Okay, so Indian fintech ecosystem it is poised for future growth. So this fintech it transforms the banking experience, like not like a previous banking experience where you will be going for the bank and you will be spending more time. Okay, so it will be introducing some new ways for accessing and even for managing the financial services. So that's it. So, dear students, if you have any queries, you can ask it now. Just I will see the chat board. Yeah. Dear students, if you are having any query, you can ask it. Just I will be stopping my presentation. Okay, as your sir told, it is in online, na? Fine. Okay, fine. Uh, okay, ma'am, fine, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, fine, ma'am. So, if no doubts in the sense, then no queries in the sense, then we can wind up the session. Okay, ma'am, fine. So, anyway, thanks. Okay.
So, as we come to the conclude of today's enlightening session of next series 4.3.20, Financial Technology in Computer Science and Business System, it's my privilege to deliver the vote of thanks. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the distinguished speaker, Dr. K.R. Kumar, for sharing his invaluable knowledge and insights with us. Your expertise in IoT, cloud computing, machine learning, and deep learning has given us a deeper understanding of how technology is transforming the financial sector. And it has truly inspired all of us to explore this domain further. I would also like to thank our principal, management, and department and our faculty of CSBS for their continuous support and encouragement in organizing such a knowledge sharing event with us. To all the participants, thank you for your active involvement and enthusiasm, which truly made today's event a success. With that, we conclude today's session. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful day ahead. And thank you so much for your valuable time.
Fine, thank you, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, fine. Can I end the session? Okay, ma'am, fine. Thanks a lot, fine.